In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace your front undercarriage shield on a Toyota Corolla located in the undercarriage. So the splash shield has 9 little bolts and screws holding it in, and it's a 10mm socket or wrench. They do have a Phillips head in the center of some of them. I don't recommend it. So 10mm socket, let's just start taking the bolts out. These ones are the screws. The ones that are in the metal are the ones that are going to have the threaded, like a bolt style, not a screw. Now I'm just going to grab that shield and pull it down. There's little prongs here. You got to kind of pull these tabs out of the slots like that. And then we can just slide this back. And bring it down. When we're putting the front shield back in, the undercarriage shield, you go to the bumper side first. So line it up there. Make sure you can slide it underneath all the items. Get it on both sides. Get the plastic underneath. You want those corner bumpers to fit right in. There we go. Like that. On both sides, we're looking good. Now I can put the screw type items in. Now the back, you have these 2 hooks. So if you want to line those up, push them right through. There we go. Holds it in place. Now I'm going to put these in by hand. $10mm socket, and I'm going to snug these up. And the 2 outer ones, same location on both fender. Now we can put the metal bolt ones in, and those connect on this bottom radiator support. There's 5 total, so 10mm socket. I'm going to bring them right over here. Just go straight across till you get to the last one. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.